You know, at the end of a long, hectic day when you just need some peace and quiet. For some people, it's the gym or a book. For me, I'm ready to hit the road. When you start gearing up and getting ready to ride, you're about to enter into your own world. The freedom, the adrenaline, the power, it's just badass. When I want to escape, I get on my bike and just ride out into the desert. Just me and Ziggy, no planned route, just hit the roads and explore the highways and the dunes. There's nothing like it. Riding isn't just a hobby or a passion. It's also a kind of therapy. And it's very personal, man. Because the bike is an extension of yourself. The bike's design and the style, the gear you choose, it all reflects your personality. It's not just about the solo rides to escape, though. I did that for years before I got introduced to the social aspect of riding. You become part of this massive culture where you meet all kinds of different people, entrepreneurs and lawyers and doctors and pilots, whatever. We're all just people who are brought together by our passion for motorcycles. It doesn't really matter what kind of bike you ride. If you ride, then we're already connected.